Mabuhay! I'm Frederick Abayagar, but you can call me Kuya Fred, together with our coach, Captain Kuya George from 214 Travel and Tours. And we will be with you for the rest of the day, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Just a few reminder, please stay wherever we are and just listen and cooperate to each destinations that we were going through. Second is, bring your important things like phones, wallets, and other essentials with you. And lastly, respect the environment, respect the place, and respect the culture and beliefs of the destinations. Welcome here in Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. Muñoz, officially known as the Science City of Muñoz, is a dynamic hub in Nueva Ecija, blending agricultural innovation, cultural heritage, and natural beauty. And today we were going to 10 destinations here in Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. The Science City of Muñoz is one of the 5 cities of Nueva Ecija. It is traversed by the Maharlika National Highway going to Cagayan Valley region, a secondary national road in Pangasinan. So we're here at our first destination, which is the Rice Science Museum. As you can see in my left hand side, this is the museum located at the Philippine Rice Research Institute, or PhilRice. This museum offers an interactive journey through the evolution of rice farming in the Philippines. Exhibits include traditional tools, modern machinery, and the model of rice terraces, providing insights into the nation's agricultural heritage. Here's a fun fact. The museum has partnered to Museo Pambata and encouraged children to pursue or consider a career related to food security. Additionally, the museum features a rice paddy art, a unique way of emerging art and agriculture to attract young Filipinos to the field. And now, I will give you exact 30 minutes to explore the whole museum. After that, we will go back to our bus and continue our trip. On to our next destination, we're here at the PhilRice Gene Bank. In my right hand side, you can see the Gene Bank. The Gene Bank is a part of the Philippine Rice Research Institute. The Gene Bank houses over 12,000 seed collections. It's a critical facility for preserving the diverse collection of rice and offers insights to the importance of seed collections. The Gene Bank also distributes seed accessions to various stakeholders, including farmers, researchers, and other organizations. And right now, I will give you an exact time for about 30 minutes to explore the whole PhilRice Gene Bank. And after that, we will go back to our bus and continue our tour. So that's all. Enjoy! So right now we're here at the Central Luzon State University. As you can see in my right hand side, this is the university in Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. As one of the premier agricultural universities in the Philippines, CLSU offers a picturesque campus with model farms, ornamental gardens, and facilities for various sports. It is a great place to learn about the agricultural innovations and enjoy the serene environment. There's a fun fact about the CLSU that it's home to the only monument of Jose Rizal where he depicted wearing a barong Tagalog. Additionally, it is established in 1964 and it's known as the major landmark in Muñoz. And we will give you a 1 hour time to explore the whole CLSU. And after that, we will go back again to our bus. Thank you. Enjoy! And as we go inside the CLSU, we can see the Living Fish Museum. In my left hand side, you can see the museum that showcases a diverse collection of indigenous and tropical freshwater fishes from various provinces in Luzon. It's an excellent spot for those who are interested in aquatic biodiversity. This museum aims to promote a cultural heritage of Filipinos, especially in the field of agriculture. And as we explore the Living Fish Museum, later on we will walk to another spot here in CLSU, which is the Science and Technology Centrum. So let's enjoy, and we will see each other later. So here at my left hand side, we can see the Science and Technology Centrum. This center serves a one-stop information hub for research and development breakthroughs in science and technology. It showcases innovation and technologies generated by the university over the years. So now let's explore and enjoy the entire museum or the entire university today, and later on we will go back to our bus and continue our tour. Enjoy! So now we're here at the Philippine Carabao Center. In my left hand side, we can see the place dedicated to the conservation of the Philippine Carabao. This center also offers a visitor chance to learn about this native water buffalo breed. Highlights include the demonstration of carabao milking and the production of dairy products like carabao milk, mozzarella, and pastillas de leche. There's a fact that this Philippine Carabao Center was established by the law. It was created by the Republic Act 7307, also known as the Philippine Carabao Act of 1992, and it's sponsored by then Senator Joseph Estrada. Let's enjoy the whole center today, and later on we will go back to our bus and continue our tour. Thank you. Now we're here at the Casecnan Dam. In my left hand side, we can see a multi-purpose dam that diverts water from Casecnan and Taan rivers to Pantabangan Reservoir, providing irrigation and hydroelectric power. While primarily an infrastructure, its surrounding areas offer scenic views and are integral to the region's development. And I will give you an exact 30 minutes to see the scenic views of Casecnan Dam. Just a little reminder that please respect the environment and don't do anything that makes it worse. And after that, we will go back to our bus and continue our tour. Let's enjoy! On to our last destination, we're here at the Matingkis Pavilion. In my right hand side, we can see the Matingkis Pavilion, also known as the Matingkis Eco Park. It's a scenic and tranquil destination located here in Science City of Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. This eco park has transformed from a modern agricultural area into the tourist recreational spot thanks to local efforts. In this eco park, you can see a solar power lighting, hanging bridge, and you can do kayaking and take pictures from the landscape gardens. Initially, Barangay Matingkis has faced many challenges such as lack of irrigation and infrastructure. However, the discovery of the natural spring led to the establishment of Matingkis Small Reservoir Irrigation Project, which irrigate over 300 hectares of farmland. This development not only boosted agricultural productivity but also paved the way for the transformation of the area into a tourist attraction. And right now, I will give you an hour to explore and enjoy the whole Matingkis Pavilion. And after that, we will go back to our bus and depart from the Science City of Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. Thank you. Muñoz seamlessly combines education, culture, and nature, making it a unique destination for travelers who are interested in agriculture, history, and environment. Whether you explore its museum, enjoy its attraction, or learn about its sustainable practices, Muñoz offers a rich and diverse experience. And that's all for our tour. Again, my name is Frederick Abaygar, but you can call me Kuya Fred. And I would like to thank our team, or my team, the tour coordinators, and our coach captain, Kuya George from 214 Travel and Tours. And I hope you learn about the Science City of Muñoz. Always remember that we should preserve our nature and take care of what God has given to us. By that, we must be a good Filipino to our community. That's all. Thank you.